continue with the question which I have already given you in last class. This is a so who is going to explain this one? You have to find the total distance between A and B. Harshit, I am writing the name like R1, R2, R3, R4. That's why you can easily explain me. R1, this is R2, R3 and R4. Is it visible? Yes. So
R1 and R3 are in series.
which one are in series?
R1 and R3
Are in series. Okay.
R2 and R4 are also in series. हम combine करेंगे तो फिर resistance 3 आएगा.
No, this is not the correct answer. Again, this is a challenge for you. This is not the correct answer. Only one guy is here who tried this question. Sit down. Anyone else? So I'm not going to explain this question. So you have to do yourself. Okay, let's try. Tomorrow we will try again. Please just do this. So let's continue with the sample number. Neha, with these two guys, Joshua and Jessica. Yes. Neha, question number 33. Okay. Okay, we have done the two parts of this question. First one in resistance, I think it was 2 ohm, no, 3 ohm. 3 ohm. In first part, we got the answer. The resistance is 3 ohm, and in second part, the current is 2 ampere. So we have done already. We already done it yesterday. Now. Now, who is going to explain how can you find the potential difference, Neha? We have to find the potential difference of 4 ohm and 3 ohm. Yes. So, who will explain? The C part. You have to find the potential difference of 4 ohm. Now, you have to value the total resistance of the circuit is 3 ohm. The resistance of the circuit is 3 ohm and the current in the circuit is 2 ampere. So now the question is, how will you find the potential difference of 4 ohm? Where is Lakshya? Yes. How can you find the potential difference of 4 ohm? Yes. Huh? Yes. Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to I into R. Do you know the value of I in 4 ohm resistor wire? Huh? You don't know the value. So how can you find the potential difference? Saurabh. Where is Saurabh? Yes, Saurabh. Okay, how can you find the current in this? What is the value of V and R? Good. And R? Yeah. Good, Saurabh. Very good, Saurabh. Good. Yes, good, Saurabh. Very good. Okay, correct. So, Lakshya, just try to understand. If you want to find the potential difference of this resistance, you should know the current and the resistance of this part. We know that the resistance is 4 ohm, but we don't have the value of I. Now one thing, you know that the current in the series are same. So can you find the current in this part? How can you find it? By applying the Ohm's law. V is equal to I into R, where V is equal to 6 ohm, and what is about the R? 4 plus 2. Because these both are in series, and we know that the current in series is same. So the R is 4 we can find the current I is equal to V upon R. It will be 1 ampere. So now you know the value of current in this 4 ohm resistor wire, that is 1 ampere. You know the value of resistance, so that you can find the value of potential difference by applying the Ohm's law. V is equal to I into R. Is it clear? Okay. Now again, how can you find the potential difference of 3 ohm resistance? Okay. How can you apply Ohm's law to know the value of I here? What is the value of I? 1 ampere. How can you find the value of 1 ampere? This 1 ampere is for this circuit, this upper part. So how can you say the current in this part is also 1 ampere? Yes? किसने बोला ऐसा? हाँ? Who told you? The current parallel are same. So it means that this fan and the bulb, they are connected in parallel. That means they are getting the same current. No, it's not true. Aman? Okay. How can you find the current in 3 ohm resistor wire? Yes. The total resistance is 6 ohm here, and again for both the resistance, the potential difference is 6 volt. This 6 volt potential difference is applicable for both the resistance. ठीक है, ये 6 दोनों पार्ट से डिवाइड हो गया, पर दोनों का ओवरऑल तो 6 वोल्ट ही पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है. तो इन दोनों का रेजिस्टेंस है R6, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है 6, और बाय दिस यू कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ I. इट इज अगेन 1 एम्पीयर. अब I पता चल गया, इसका R पता है, तब आप V निकाल सकते हो. लक्ष्य, आई थिंक यू डोंट क्लियर अबाउट द न्यूमेरिकल पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. ओके, सिट डाउन. For which question? This one? We are discussing this question now. So, have you done this one? So now you know the value of I here. So we can find the potential difference of 4 ohm resistance wire. The V is equal to I into R, where I is 1 ampere and R is again 4 ohm. So it is 4 volt. This is the potential difference of 4 ohm resistance wire. So with the same method, you can also find the resistance, the potential difference of 3 ohm wire. So can you do yourself? No? Next part, Neha. Yes? Section D. Yes, question number 30, 34. Can you have?
A concave mirror of radius of curvature 36 centimeters is fixed to a stand and placed on a table. How far is an object from the mirror if an image is formed that is concave?
6 times real. Calculate 6 times
This one real is
real. Okay. So I'm not writing the sign with the values. I'm writing only the information which I found from the question. So in the question, the radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 36. So it means what value can you find from it? Yes, Joshua. Concave mirror. The radius of curvature of concave mirror is 36 centimeter. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of this statement? Yeah, which value you will get from this statement? Okay. This is the radius of curvature. It should be positive or negative for the concave mirror. Yes. आपको क्या मिला इससे, क्या पता चला? जैसिका? Yes. It will be positive or negative? Yes, very good. Since it is given that the image is 6 times, it means this is a magnification. Or since the image is real and we know that real image is always inverted, so we can say x2 is negative, h1 is positive. So magnification will be negative. Very good, Jessica. So it means that magnification is -6. Again, it should be clear, if the image is real, it means it is inverted, and inverted image means h2 will be negative, so the magnification will also be negative. So the value of magnification is -6. Okay, again, Jessica, can you explain how can you find the value of u and v? Yes, we know the formula of magnification. Magnification is equal to -v upon u. Magnification is equal to -v upon u. -6 is equal to -v upon u. So by this we can find the relation between the u and v. है ना? So v is equal to 6u. This is a relation which we get from magnification. Now we can apply the Miller's formula. Jessica, what is the Miller formula? 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So please apply this formula and find the value of u and v. Jessica, sit down. Good. 1 upon -18 is equal to 1 upon v. V is how much? 1 upon 6u plus 1 upon 2. And by calculation by taking the LCM, it will be 1 plus 6 upon 6u. Minus 1 upon 18 is equal to 7 upon 6u. Then u is equal to how much? 7 into 18 upon 6. Minus 21 centimeter. So this is the value of u. So object will be placed as this is a 21 centimeter from the mirror. You can also find the value of v by multiplying it by 6. Because u is equal to v is equal to 60. So please solve this question. Thus, for the second part, the image is
real and 3 times the size of
yes. So what is this?
magnification is
Magnification is
minus
-3. Yes. Again, the image is real. It means it is inverted. Or since the inverted image is formed, so we will say that m is equal to negative, and its value is 3. So m is equal to -3. So I think you can do yourself like this. The same part is this. Now the last part, Daksh. I will check your notebooks today. Now the last part, Daksh.
virtual and 3 times the size of object.
Virtual and 3 times the size of the object. Okay, what is this?
Magnification is positive.
Yes. Since the virtual image is formed and we know that virtual image is always erect, so h2 is positive and magnification is +3. So please solve this question and tell me what is the answer. Now the relation is v is equal to -3u. Okay, please solve this part. The last part. Second part you have to do yourself, or if any one of you have any doubt, you can ask me. Second part, can you do yourself? Same as the first part. So 1 upon -18 is equal to 1 upon -3u plus 1 upon 2. So what is the answer? So after calculation, U is equal to minus 12 centimeter. What is about the V? Plus 36.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is all about your sample paper.